Hi, I'm Lee from Dog&Bone Australia. We're getting great customer feedback about the sound quality on our Wetsuit and Wetsuit Impact waterproof cases. So today we are giving you a listen. This is just a short demonstration so you can hear the volume and clarity of the music through the speakers with the case on. Now let's make a call on the speakerphone so you can hear the voice quality.
Hello.
How you going, mate? How's the weather there?
Mate, it's beautiful outside, bright and sunny.
Okay, lovely, mate. All right, thanks, buddy. Any information, specs about the product, please go to our website at dogandbonecases.com. Thanks for watching.